Tired of the endless back and forth emails trying to schedule a simple meeting? In this video, I'll show you how to seamlessly integrate Calendly with your LinkedIn profile so your connections can book meetings with you in just a few clicks, saving you time and boosting your networking game. First, go to your LinkedIn profile and click on the Add Profile section button. It's usually located right below your profile introduction. A drop-down menu will appear. Hover over the recommended section and click on Add Featured. A new window will pop up. Choose Add Link. Now, head over to your Calendly account and copy your Calendly link. This is the unique link that directs people to your scheduling page. Go back to LinkedIn and paste your Calendly link into the URL field provided, then click the Add button. A preview of the link will appear now. Add a catchy title, like Schedule a Meeting with Me or Book a Call Next. Write a compelling description that encourages people to book time with you, something like Let's Connect and discuss your project. Book a time that works for you. Once you're happy with the title and description, click the Save button. And that's it. Your Calendly link is now live on your LinkedIn profile. People can click on it and easily schedule a meeting with you. Now go start scheduling.